Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok video not loading problem. So if you're facing this problem whenever you open your TikTok and try to see the videos which you have made and uploaded on a TikTok, it just doesn't load up. So most of the time your internet connection is going to be the problem. So due to your slow internet connection, your video is not loading up. So it could be that, so make sure to check your internet. For that, you can just go to your Safari browser and try to load up any website. So if a website just like loads up easily over here, so I'm just going to go on this website and it easily loads up over here, it means my internet has no problem. All right, but let's say like a website doesn't loads up fast, it took like 5 or 6 minutes just to load a simple website, then that's an internet problem. You need to change into a more faster internet connection or use data connection. And let's say even if you have a fast internet, it's still causing the problem. What you can do is just go on your app store and search for TikTok. So on my screen it says open because my TikTok is up to date, but if you require updating your TikTok, there's going to be an update button over here. So you can go to your Play Store or App Store and check if there's any update for TikTok, and if there is, update your TikTok. And even after updating your TikTok, it didn't fix it, then go to your setting over here. And for Android user, you do not have this feature, so what you need to do is delete your TikTok and reinstall it again for Android user. All right, and for iPhone user, you want to go to your setting, go on general and go on versus iPhone storage over here. And on iPhone storage, you want to find TikTok. Once you see TikTok, click on offload app. Once TikTok app is offloaded, there's going to be a reinstall app button. You need to click on reinstall app. Once TikTok finishes reinstalling, it should work properly. But if it still doesn't, then you just need to do what the Android user just did: delete your TikTok, reinstall it again, and it should be fixed. All right, so yeah, that's how you guys can fix your TikTok video not loading problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel once a step. And sometimes basically TikTok goes offline for upgrading their server or to fix their server. All right, if that's the case, you can ask your friend to check if their TikTok is working properly or not. If your friend's TikTok is also not working properly, then that's basically it, and in that case you just need to wait until their servers are working finally again. All right, so it's just a matter of patience. So yeah, bye bye.